Hi, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Little Cooks. Today we're going to be making chocolate coconut eggs out of Piggy Pasta and More Food with Attitude, an old book that has probably been in the stores for a few years, but we have resurrected this book and we're going to do peanut butter balls instead of coconut. So I've got a helper, but she doesn't want her face in the video, so you're just going to see her body. So I will post this on the YouTube video underneath and you'll be able to see the ingredients. But for now, you're gonna need butter, cream cheese, icing sugar, salt, vanilla, 1 cup of peanut butter, and some chocolate for the outside. All right, so basically we're gonna mix these things together in a bowl, make them into balls, and refrigerate them, and they're gonna just harden up a little bit, and then we're gonna melt some chocolate and pour that over when they're finished. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is cover a baking sheet with baking paper because they're gonna be a little sticky. We're gonna put the balls on here, like I said, where they're gonna go into the fridge. So this is your first step. Next, you're gonna have 50 grams of butter that you will soften. I did a little bit too much here, so it's a bit liquidy and melted, but that's fine. So we're gonna put that into the bowl. So let's bring the bowl over here. Then we're gonna get a 1/2 cup of cream cheese. And my assistant is gonna do that for me while I put in the 2.5 cups of icing sugar. That's quite a lot, so we decided to cut it down a little bit and do 2 cups. So we're gonna dump that in there. And a spoon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So for those young cooks out there, it's the tiniest one there is, unless you have a 1/8 spoon, which is possible. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, so now we've got the 1/2 cup of cream cheese. We're gonna pop that into the bowl. And our next item is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I hope we have enough. Just. Oh, well, that's lucky. All right, and our 1 cup of peanut butter. So this is huge, so that's quite a big cup. This is a really quick recipe, and again, you can use some desiccated coconut in here if you want, or you can replace the peanut butter with 1 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, but I think that's too much coconut. I can't take all that coconut, so I prefer the peanut butter much better. So, all right, so we've got the peanut butter coming in, and then we're just gonna mix them together, mix the whole thing together. You can either use your hands, a spoon, or a hand mixer. All right, we're back. What we're gonna do is get a teaspoon, tablespoon, something like this size, probably as big as a tablespoon, might be the easiest thing, and you just scoop it up. It's a bit hard to get it out of this tablespoon, that's why I use this kind of spoon. So you just roll it around in your hands like this to get a ball shape and pop it on the tray. That's it. Whoa, okay. All right, now I'm gonna put this in the freezer or fridge for, I don't know, 20 minutes or so they get more solid, and then I'm gonna drizzle some hot chocolate on it and then put it back in the freezer to solidify. So we're just going to melt some chocolate and put it in this glass jug. So the trick with melting chocolate is try to break it up into little pieces, as little as you can. And then microwave it in short bursts, maybe like 45 seconds at a time. Because if you do it too long in the microwave, it'll actually dry the chocolate out and you won't be able to use it. But also you don't want to break the jug in the microwave, which is what I've done before. So glass actually conducts heat really well. So that's why you don't have to do it for very long. And if you pull it out of the microwave and stir it with a metal butter knife, then you'll notice that it starts melting because of the heat of the glass. So that is what we're gonna do. And we're going to drizzle it on the Easter eggs. Well, we are back and we're drizzling the chocolate, melted chocolate, however you want. All right, so I've got a big blob on this one. I basically just threw this one in the pit, but you're doing a great job over there, looking beautiful. I might try that. Whoa. Either way, it's gonna end up in your mouth, so it's gonna be really good. That's true. Okay, mine don't look very pretty, but that's okay. Whoa. These are good though. All right, I found some sprinkles. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them all over. See which ones stick to the top. You wanna do this before the chocolate sets, otherwise it won't be sticky. If you like that, make sure to subscribe to the LittleCooks YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks.